So look, y'all, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can make $150 in one day, $750 in 1 week, or $3,000 in 1 month on your own time. No experience needed. You get paid weekly. All you will be doing is rescuing stranded motorists on the side of the road. But before we get into this video, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, especially if you like watching videos showing you how to make extra money. Also, hit that like button. It will also help push this video through the YouTube algorithm. So let's get into it. Pretty much all you would be doing is helping stranded motorists on the side of the road with tire change, jump starts, battery changes, lockouts, fuel deliveries, and air deliveries. There's over 1 million motorists a year get stuck on the side of the road, need help. You can become a member and help them people out and make good money. For example, you can be changing tires, re- replacing a flat tire with a spare tire that comes with the vehicle. So all you will be doing is changing some one tire out with the tire that comes with their vehicle. Lockouts, using airbags to reach tools to unlock a vehicle without causing damage. Air deliveries, using a portable compressor to refill a flattened tire with air. Battery installation, mobile car battery deliveries, and on-site installation services. Fuel deliveries, delivering fuel to motorists in need that have ran out of gas. Jump start, using a portable backup pack to boost a vehicle dead battery. So I'm pretty sure all you guys are pretty savvy with your hands. You can change a tire, you can jump start a car, you can unlock a car, you can make fuel deliveries, also installing batteries. Quick, it's easy, and they pay pretty good. It will take 30 minutes or less with most of these services. Once you apply for the app, you get approved, you will get alert to your phone anytime there's a job available in your area. You can accept it or reject it. Now, if you only have the tools to change out a battery, you only can accept those type of jobs. If you only have the tools to help people who are locked out in their car, you can accept those jobs. So depending on what kind of tools you have will result in what job you take on. It's something you can do full time, part time, whenever you want. Just log onto the app. You go up here, click the sign up button. Only thing they're going to want, your full name, your email address, your telephone number, preferred method of contact, state you live in, the city, the zip code, the make of the car that's being used, the model of the car that's being used, and what year of the car that you have. How many years in roadside assistant, towing, or mechanical work have you had? However, you don't need any kind of experience. You will get accepted, you will get approved. The best time to contact you. Once you fill out everything, you hit the submit button. Within 24 hours, they will be reaching out to you. So, if you're interested in making $150 in one day on your own time, being your own boss, then reach out to autorescuesolution.com. That's all I have for you guys in this video today. Hit me up on my next one.